Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Berani belajar, kali ini kita udah sampai ke unit 5. Harapannya teman-teman udah nonton ya, unit 1-4 sebelumnya. Kali ini kita akan bahas past simple atau simple past tense. Contoh penggunaan adalah I did. Jadi ini sangat penting juga karena setiap sesuatu yang sudah terjadi atau di masa lampau ketika kita ingin mengungkapkannya, maka kita menggunakan simple past. Nah, langsung aja kita ke contoh penggunaannya. Study this example. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was an Austrian musician and composer. He lived from 1756 to 1791. He started composing at the age of 5 and wrote more than 600 pieces of music. He was only 35 years old when he died. Lihat nih, ada was, live, started, word, was. Nah, ini adalah and died. Ini adalah contoh dari penggunaan past simple. Nah, kemudian kita masuk ke bagian B. Kalau teman-teman perhatikan, ada termnya ya. Ada kadang kita lihat ada verb itu berakhiran ed. Ed ini berakhiran ed, maka itu mengindikasikan dia past simple dengan verbs-nya adalah regular verbs. Ada regular verbs, ada yang namanya irregular verbs. Kalau regular verbs itu berarti kata kerja beraturan, di mana nanti pada kata kerjanya ketika dia dalam bentuk lampaunya tinggal ditambahkan ed aja ya. Nah, kita masuk ke contoh-contohnya aja langsung. Contohnya ini, I work in travel agency now. Before that, I work in a department store. Oke, aku bekerja di agensi travel sekarang. Sebelumnya aku bekerja di department store. Kemudian, they invited us to their party, but we decided not to go. Mereka mengundang kita ke pesta mereka, tapi kita memutuskan untuk tidak pergi. Oke, boleh ya. Lihat nih, ada work, invited, stop it, decided. The police stopped me on my way home last night. Laura passed her exam because she studied very hard. Nah, kata kerja yang ada pada kalimat ini dia adalah regular verbs. Untuk cara pengejaannya nanti ada di appendix 6. Nanti kalau ada kesempatan akan dimasukkan juga. Tapi ternyata selain dari regular verbs, banyak juga yang dalam bentuk irregular. Jadi dia nggak sesimpel ditambahkan ed belakangnya. Contohnya, write jadi wrote, see jadi saw, go jadi went, shut jadi tetap shut. Nah, ini adalah irregular verb. Nah, contoh ya, Mozart wrote more than 600 pieces of music. Wrote dari right. We saw Alice in town a few days ago. Nah, dari see, I went to the cinema 3 times last week. Dari go, I go to the cinema kan. It was cold, so I shut the window. Jadi ini tetap bentuk kata kerjanya. Nah, itu untuk listnya nanti ada di appendix 1. Kalau ada kesempatan akan dimasukkan juga. Kita masuk ke C, in question and negative sentence. Jadi pada pertanyaan dan kalimat negatif kita menggunakan did or didn't. Dan plus infinitive. Infinitive adalah kata kerja aslinya ya. Awalnya pakai enjoy, see, go yang belum berubah dia. Contoh, I enjoy. Gampang ya, tinggal tambah ed. Did you enjoy? Nah, ditambah did you enjoy. Did you enjoy-nya kembali lagi. Atau negatifnya I didn't enjoy. She saw. Dia melihat. Did she see? Apakah dia melihat? She didn't see. Oke, sama ya polanya ya. They went. Did they go? They didn't go. Oke. Kita langsung ke contoh kalimat yang mereka bikin. I enjoyed the party a lot. Did you enjoy it? Oke, did you enjoy it? Dia nanya ya. How many people did they invited? How many people did they invite to the wedding? Ini nggak pakai id lagi karena udah did-nya udah kita pakai did. I didn't buy. Jadi nggak, kan kalau buy jadi both ya, both. Jadi, tapi nggak karena kita udah pakai ini. Because I didn't have any money. Did you go out? No, I didn't. Oke. Kadang-kadang penggunaan do bisa sebagai main verb. Kan sebenarnya do yang tadi do, apa namanya? Jadi main verb ya. Jadi kan kita what do you do kan waktu kita belajar di simple present itu ya benar gitu kan. Jadi ini bisa memang did you do? I didn't do. What did you do at the weekend? Nah, do apa namanya? Do pakai kata bantu did. Nah, karena dia you. Nah. Oke. I didn't do anything. Oke, kita langsung ke D ya, bagian D. The past of be, to be, yang tadi awalnya is MR atau MSR, jadi was, were. I, he, she, it, pakai was or wasn't. Kalau dia we, you, they, atau ya, they, you, itu pakai were atau weren't. Nah, oke. I was annoyed because they were late. Nah, oke. Was the weather good when you were on holiday? Okay, they weren't able to come because they were so busy. I wasn't hungry, so I didn't eat anything. Did you go out last night or were you too tired? Oke ya, jadi penggunaan to be yang harusnya is MR jadi was were. Was were itu I, he, she, it. Kalau they, we, you itu pakai were. Nah, begitu aja untuk materinya. Kemudian kita sampailah ke bagian exercise. Nah, jadi ini ada berapa ya? Oh, cukup juga ya. Oke. Kita jawab dulu ya yang bagian 5.1. Read what Laura says about a typical working day. Kita baca dulu. I usually get up at 7 o'clock and have a big breakfast. Oke. Dia bangun jam 7 dan sarapan. I walk to work. Dia berjalan ke tempat kerjanya, which takes me about half an hour, 1,5 jam. I start work at 8:45, dia 8:45. I never have lunch. Dia nggak pernah makan siang karena tadi big breakfast tadi ya. I finish work at 5 o'clock. Dia selesai kerja jam 5. Sore. I'm always tired when I get home. Aku selalu kelelahan ketika aku sampai rumah. Itu ini. I usually cook a meal in the evening. Usually cook, makanya nggak apa, karena kan ini simple present ya, in the evening. I don't usually go out. Dia juga nggak biasa juga pergi. I go to bed at 11 o'clock and I always sleep well. Okay. Yesterday was typical working day. Laura, what she did or didn't do yesterday? She got up at 7 o'clock. Yes. She kalau she pakai apa sih? She kan semua jadi had ya berarti. Kok gak ada bro? Kok gak salah kan had lah berarti ya. She had a breakfast dari have kan. She She had a big breakfast. She walked to work. Nah, udah selesai. Berarti ini kita sebenarnya ini ya, nyuruh mengubahnya jadi simple past ya. Ini udah waktu udah. Berarti kita masih ini. Berarti it kan take jadi took. It took about half an hour. It took her about half an hour. Yeah, okay. She started work at 8:45. Ya kan? I never have lunch. She didn't have any lunch. Any lunch. Okay. I finished work. She finished, boleh pakai finish deh. She finished work. Okay. I always tired. Aku selalu capek. She kan I'm tired. I jadi was kan. She was tired when she got home, kan dari get home kan. Usually I cook meal. Kok I sih, kan kita menceritakan dia. She cook or she made, bisa juga ya, buat meal yesterday evening. Yang ke-10, I don't usually go out. She didn't go out yesterday evening. Kemudian aku jawab aja lah ini ya, nomor 11. I go to bed at about 11 o'clock. She go to bed berarti went to bed. Okay. And I always sleep well. She slept ya berarti. Slept well last night. Sleep kan jadi slept. Ya itu aja sih, harus ini juga tahu lah perubahan beberapa kata kerja gitu ya. Yang 5.2. Jadi di sini ada verbs, maka kita cocokkan ke correct formnya. Contoh yang pertama, Mozart wrote more than 600 pieces of music. Ya, oke. How did you learn to drive? My father. Apa nih? Dari teach jadi taught ya. Taught kan. Taught. Nah, we couldn't afford to keep our car. Kami nggak mampu untuk tetap menyimpan mobil kami. So we kan teach udah, nggak mungkin dibuang kan mobilnya, pasti di sell jadi sold kan. So we sold it ya kan ya dong. Dari sebenarnya kita tinggal milih terus ubah aja gitu ya. Number 4, Dave blanks down the stair this morning and his leg, kemungkinan dia jatuh kan. Dave fall berarti fell dari fell. They fell down the stairs this morning and kenapa kakinya? And hurt jadi hurt tetap hurt. Nah, hurt, oke. Joe, teng 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 teng, to the ball to Sue, who. So kita lewat dulu. Kate spend, berarti kan a lot of money yesterday. Spend ya spend jadi tetap spend tapi pakai D, spend. Sorry, spend. Oke, ini kita matikan. Lalu she buy jadi bought. Dia membeli a dress, ya kan, with cost jadi costed ya, atau tetap cost? Tetap cost. Nah, ini cost. Nah, berarti ini Joe catch the ball to Sue. Nggak mungkin lah. Inilah berarti Joe throw jadi thrown ya, atau apa? Threw. Joe threw the ball to Sue, who catch jadi coach ya. Coach. Oke. Ya sebenarnya itu jadi kayak kata kerja bentuk pertama, bentuk kedua, bentuk ketiga itu kayak harus hafal lah dikit gitu ya. You asked me James about his holiday in the US. Write your questions. Where did you go to the US? We went on a trip from San Francisco to Denver. How did you go? Bagaimana engkau pergi? By car? Yes, we hired a car in San Francisco. Okay. It's a long way to drive. How long did you how long did it take? How long did you bisa kita bilang did you take lah ya. How long did you take? How long did you take you? How long did you take you? Ini yang benar nih. Take you. How long did you take you? Kok did you take? How long? Tunggu, aku jadi bingung ya. How long did? Kan it's long. How long did it take you? Ini baru benar. 2 weeks, 2 minggu. We stop at a lot of place along the way. Mereka berhenti pada banyak tempat pada saat perjalanan. Where? Berarti ini stay harusnya. Where did you stay? Kan? In hotel? Yes, small hotel or motels. Kemudian dia bilang apa? Yes, but it's very hot sometimes. Very hot sometimes too hot. Weather berarti ya. Was the weather good? Oke. Ya, tapi kadang terlalu panas. Did you go to the Grand Canyon? Gitu ya. Did you go to the Grand Canyon, atau did you visit the Grand Canyon? Of course it was wonderful. Okay, nice. Kemudian ini aku sisain 2 ya. Complete the sentence, put the verbs into the correct way, positive or negative. It was warm. Warm pula. It was warm. It was warm. So I took off my coat. The film wasn't very good. I didn't enjoy it much. I knew Sarah was busy, so I didn't disturb her. Karena kan si Sarah ini lagi sibuk, aku nggak mau ganggu gitu ya. You were very tired. Kita ini bener-bener capek nih. So we left ya. Kita meninggalkan party ya. We left the party early. Kita meninggalkan party lebih awal. Number 5. It was hard carrying the bags. Itu sangat sulit untuk membawa tas-tas ini. they were lah berarti ya, kan masa lampau. They were really heavy, berat. Mereka sangat berat. Number 6, the bed was very uncomfortable. Bed ini sangat tidak nyaman. I didn't sleep berarti ya, aku nggak bisa tidur. I didn't sleep. Oke. Number 6, this watch wasn't expensive. Jam ini nggak mahal. It was much, atau it took ya, bisa nggak sih? Didn't cost. It took. Oh enggak lah, karena dia nggak banyak, berarti kan negatif. It didn't cost much. Oke. Cost kan kata kerja ya. The window was open. Jendela terbuka dan seekor burung fly jadi flew ya, berarti flew into the room. Oke. Ini kalian jawab ya, nomor 9-10 gampang sih harusnya. Nah, boleh buka kamus ya, nggak masalah buat latihannya. Terima kasih atas perhatiannya teman-teman semua, semoga bermanfaat. Kita udah perjalanan 5 dari 145, tinggal 140 lagi. Semangat semuanya. Kian Bate.